the date is the 25th of December, Christmas Day, and the weather, as you see behind me, has been like this since Christmas Eve, the previous day, and it's been raining non-stop. I was this close to booking a flight out of Metro Manila and going over to Bangkok because the weather over there looks so much better than it does here. And as my Christmas plans were ruined by the catastrophic weather, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just get out of here and go enjoy me some sun. Like, I had a super awesome video planned out for you guys to be shot on Christmas Eve and then for it to be published and posted so you guys can watch it on Christmas Day, but the weather has just completely obliterated those plans. But maybe I can show you the preparation that went into trying to create that video that I was supposed to post today. Okay, so I'm headed to Market because there's a particular shop that I want to visit. Now, I just don't know if they have a car park because I need to lock this scooter up, of course. Just a little bit, yeah. Yeah. I need to pay?
I pay more entrance.
Well, I'm kind of surprised they're making me pay for parking here. I mean, it is just an e-scooter. Anyway, never mind. If it means that they can keep a watchful eye over it, I don't mind. I'm just having difficulty a little bit getting this lock over onto the rails. Ah, there we are. Okay, that's secured. Now, how do I get to Market is the question. Hello, Paul. How do I get to Market? This way?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Ayala Malls Market. Hello, Paul. How are you? Good afternoon. We're once again at our favorite costume shop here. I've been here before 6 months ago to buy some costumes for, no, was it 6 months ago or more? Probably a year ago to buy some Halloween costumes. But we've come here to buy a very special costume for this year, or this time of the year, I should say. All right.
And the bottom here.
Okay, and how much is the set?
1,800.
Whoa.
Shoe cover.
Plain lang para hindi sa mukhang matanda.
This one.
Oh, the belt.
Yeah.
Is that the only set you have, or you got different ones? But they're all the same.
Same, it's the same.
Ah, okay. Right, so I'm gonna try on the Father Christmas outfit. Yeah. I wonder if it'll be long enough or big enough for someone my size. Oh, you know what? It's not bad. The jacket is here. Do you have the beard? Oh, you do. Yeah. Damn, you got everything. You really do have everything. Oh, the hat's too. Oh no, it's okay.
There, the hat.
Oh, this is really hairy though. That's gonna tickle my mouth a little bit. Oh my goodness, check the outfit out, guys. Ho 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 ho. Merry Christmas from Metro Manila. Maybe I just need to put this a little bit down. Santa is rock and rolling. Look at that. This Santa doesn't really look too fat, does he? It's not bad.
I will open this to check the...
Just check all the accessories are there. Okay, I'll take one.
Okay. Only this one, sir? No
Yeah.
other costume you need?
No. Yeah, I bought some Naruto costumes and Pain costumes from last time.
Naruto.
Do you remember? Yeah, Naruto. You remember?
Naruto.
You remember?
Yeah, I show you a vlog.
Oh, you saw it? Look at that. Surely that must deserve a little discount there.
1,800.
Okay. There you go.
1,800 there.
It's okay. Keep the change. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Take care. See you. All right. Step 1 secured. Now I need to move on to step 2 to execute the plan. Alright, I'm just queuing because I need to pay for the parking. And there's 3 different prices for cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. It's only going to cost me 20 pesos, so it's not too bad. And that's all day parking? I think it is. Reminder, maximum 30-minute grace period is given to the exit. We've got 30 minutes of grace period if it didn't take me 30 minutes to buy what I needed from here. Hello, ma'am. Do I have a grace period?
20 pesos.
I don't have the 30-minute grace period?
10 pesos.
I exceeded it, yeah? Oh, okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15, 17.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Ta 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 ta. It's now rush hour here in the Philippines. And I'm gonna try and make my way back to BGC or Uptown slowly and steadily because it's gonna be very chaotic. Now, if I was riding a motorbike, I would need to turn right here, but I'm not. And I'm gonna take a left here and cut through over there by SCI College. Alrighty, I just secured the second step to execute tomorrow's video. For now, I'm gonna carry this very big, very heavy bag home and just you wait until tomorrow. This weighs, I think, about 10 kilos. It's quite heavy, but where I'm gonna hang this bag, I have no idea. Should I just place it on the scooter like that? I guess so. Why not? Well, maybe I should invest in like some sort of grip, but this is way too heavy to put on the hook on the stem there. All right, here we go. What the f- I spent about 5 hours yesterday sitting at a Starbucks waiting for the rain to stop, and it didn't. I mean, it stopped for a couple minutes and then it just began pouring down again. And it's going to be like this in the Philippines for the next week or two, right through onto the new year, which is going to be pretty depressing. Very depressing. It's sad that the Philippines is getting hit by an LPA at the moment. It might flood too. Hello, Kuya. Can you take me to Robinson? Where are you? Robinson's Galleria?
No, not allowed tricycles there.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. No worries. Thank you. Kuya, how close can you take me to the Robinson's Galleria? How close can you get?
Only there, it's only police station only.
Oh, right here is the furthest.
Tricycle is not allowed in
Ortigas.
entrance in Greenfield.
Okay, all right.
Only police station only.
Well, by the time I get myself a taxi, I would have already made it to my destination, which is about a 30-minute walk from this area of Greenfield. And tricycles are only allowed to go up until the police station, as Kuya just said earlier, which is right here. Hello, good morning. Merry Christmas. How are you? I am.
What is your channel?
Oh, it's Mergim Vlogs. Let's take a picture. Hey. Dito. Oh, Dito.
Dito.
I'm not incriminating myself, am I?
What is
Very
your
nice. Mergim.
Mergim.
Mergim Vlogs. Well, that encounter with that police officer just made me a lot more happier. Yes, considering how depressing it is today. I mean, today could have been an incredible day had the weather permitted. I had an amazing video planned for you guys. as you saw earlier in the video. I'm really bummed out by that. But anyway, I'm on my way to Robinson's Galleria because over there they've got, I believe, a Squid Game promotion like they do in Bangkok. But in Bangkok, it's on a whole nother level. They've got this huge raft or barge going through the Chao Phraya River with the massive famous girl that kind of pops up into the air, and then they've got the red bandits that are being suspended onto drones flying around the barge and the girl in the middle of the Chao Phraya River. It's insane, and that's gone viral all over social media, and I would absolutely love to be there to see that. And I believe they've done something here in Manila at Robinson's Galleria here in Ortigas, so that's where we're headed now. I'm having to walk ever so carefully along this street here because of the tiles that are placed between these cement blocks. The tiles are very, very slippery, and as I'm wearing Crocs, it doesn't help me out one bit. Waiting for a taxi? Yeah, good luck. Now you might be wondering to yourself, didn't I just buy an electric scooter recently to go around Metro Manila? I did, but I'm not going to be riding it in this pouring rain. Hell no. Even if I had a motorbike, I wouldn't choose to ride it in the rain like this. It's just way too dangerous and way too slippery. Wow. Bureau of Fire Protection out on Christmas Day. Just walking through the rain casually, folks. It's drizzling ever so lightly. I'm hoping, sorry ma'am, I'm hoping this light drizzle keeps up for the next 20 minutes so I can make it to Robinson's Galleria without getting drenched. Alright, I'll cross here. I think if I make it into the Shangri-La Mall, which is right here, I can get to Robinson's Galleria indoors. Hello sir, how do you do? Good to see you. Wow, look at that. The Christmas lights in the Shangri-La Mall are very, very beautiful. They've got a giant Christmas tree and lots of box presents suspended from the ceilings, supported by these steel cables. Wow, that's the first I've ever seen a Christmas tree being suspended like that in the air. Wow, this is nice. The Shang here at Ortigas is so beautiful. What a nice area and drive to the mall, and I believe there's a residence up here as well. But we've crossed the street and we're now going through this revolving door to go one floor down and go to Robinson's Galleria. Thank you, Paul. Oh my god, here it is. The crisscrossing overlap of the escalators here at Robinson's Galleria is actually perfect for the Squid Games, because there is one scene where you have the colourful steps of all the players going to like different levels or different games, if my memory serves me correctly. Alrighty folks, I'm now gonna go up the escalators and you're gonna see me go up from this one and then to the next one and to the next one as if I was part or in the Squid Game, so watch me do it. Alright, we're riding the first escalator and you should see me any moment now emerging behind this little wall here. Here I am. Hello. Now we've got to walk around almost like a 90-degree angle to get to the second escalator, which goes from L3 to L4. Woohoo! This is so cool. I wish those red bandits were here. Yeah! Riding the modified Robinson's Galleria escalators with Netflix Squid Games advertisement on them. Yeah! Now we're going back down. Well, you know what? Seeing this here has certainly made my day. Well, people watching at home, you're probably going to see today's video posted on the 26th, a day in which Squid Games 2 premieres from Netflix. You know, riding those escalators kind of felt like I was slightly in the Squid Games. It kind of took me back to that sort of scene where everybody is climbing those stairs in that very colourful room. They've done a good job here, I like it. Well, folks, I'm going to wrap up today's video here. I might go later on to Okada to maybe have some sort of Christmas dinner or just to get the vibes. But I don't think anything is going to be open from about 10 p.m. onwards. And the only thing that's going to be open is most likely Okada. But folks, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, share it with friends and family, and I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye for now.